How Long Until We're There is in published to the App Store. So if you search it there, you should be able to find it. I've set it installed on my phone here. Click into it. Really simple, fun app for kids. Only do one screen. They can see where they are. Blind, because my daughter loves lions. They can change character they want. Maybe you want to be an astronaut today. Who doesn't want to be an astronaut? And the whole point of this app is that if you're driving somewhere with your kids and they're always asking you, how long do we get there? How long do we get there? They can find out for themselves. So if we search for address, let's put in somewhere far away. Say, well, in relative terms. So let's just go back a bit so you can see where we're going in Ireland. So from the astronaut to visiting granddads. And then, most importantly, how many minutes? 149 minutes to go from there to there. And basically then, as you're driving, like my daughter just kind of, flicks in and out of this app. She's playing games, she's watching her TV shows. Every now and then, she comes back in here. She hits again, how many minutes? And then, and it tells her. So it's putting the kind of, I suppose, the power into her hands that she can answer those all important kind of question: how long more did you have in the car? Or herself in a fun, easy, simple way. All made possible by the Google Maps SDKs and APIs. I hope you like it.